Good evening, Canadians. How are you all? Hope you all are going good. So, today we are going to do this beautiful moving bird craft. So, we will see how to do this beautiful moving bird craft. See, if you touch like this, no, it will move like this. Okay, shall we do this, children? Yes. Let's start. For this beautiful moving bird craft, we need A4 sheet paper. Any color you can take for this bird. One A4 sheet paper. Pink color I took for this bird, and see one red color small piece of paper we need for this beak and these legs. We need to draw and we need to cut. That also I will tell you how to do that. Okay, and like this for eyes you need to cut two white papers like this, and already I told you how to cut eyes many times in previous classes, right children? Like this you need to cut. Okay, keep aside this material, and one marker you need for this, or pencil also okay for you. I am using marker because of your visibility. Okay, and fevistick or fevicol also okay. One scissor you need for this. Let's start how to do this. Okay, first see children, first we are folding this A4 sheet paper and we are going to draw one medium size circle. How it will be, see, we are going to draw one circle dear. Okay, you can take any round shape object and you can take measurement and you can cut it, this one. Okay, and one is small circle. This is for face circle. We are going to draw like this and we are going to cut it. Okay, yes, and this rectangle shape also we need for this tail. Okay, bird's tail we are going to cut. How I will show you how to cut this one also. Okay, and see, after cutting this will be like this, two round shape. Okay, shapes, and this one is face shape I have cut like this. This one is for tail. Okay, and these are eyes. See, two circles white already I have done cutting part, and these are small legs already. I have shown you how to draw this one. See, only half circle you need to draw and cut it. Okay, keep aside. This one is, this triangle is for beak. Okay, keep aside. Let's start how to do this. Okay, and this circle, no, you need to fold half dear. Press properly this closed side and open these two layers. Okay, see, two are there, no, four layers will be there if you fold half. So two we are taking, and we are taking scissor and we are going to cut up to half. One line is there, no, in the middle, up to there we are going to cut like this for the wings. Okay, like this you need to cut. Okay beta, see, like this, and take one pencil or anything you can take. You need to see, like this you need to fold slowly. See, do like this edges. You will get proper wings for this bird. Okay, now what to do is take out this. You will get like this. Okay, at a time we are doing. Yes dear. Now what to do is, first you need to take this paper and we are going to attach this face paper here. Here dear, like this. See, okay, this side wings are there, and this side we are going to attach this face paper. Okay, we are taking fevistick, little bit of fevistick, and we are going to attach this one here. Okay, see children, like this, very easy, no? Yes, now we will attach eyes also for this. For eyes, no children, you need to keep one black dot in the middle like this. If you have Google eyes also, you can keep over there. Okay, for eyes. Yeah, both sides I am taking. Like this eyes, you need to keep both sides. Okay, and we are taking some Fevistick. We are keeping eyes like this, children. Both sides. Okay. See, like this, like this. Now what to do is, see, we are going to attach this tail also, no? See, this rectangle paper already I have shown you how to take this measurement, and you need to cut like this. Yes, children, you need to cut like this, okay? And you need to bend one this side and leave one more this side and one more this side. You need to hold like, you need to fold like this, okay? See, like this. And we are going to attach this tail for this here like this, okay? See, and we are going to attach this one like this. Okay, children? Yes. Now we are going to attach this tail here like this properly. And this one more paper is there, no dear? This one we are going to attach like this for our bird. See, both sides you will get the wings. Okay? Yes. Now what to do is, here this side we are going to keep some Fevicol on this paper, and we are going to attach this side also. Okay. See dear, both sides we are going to you need to take measurement correctly. It should be very correct both sides this paper. Okay. No worries. See, up to here you need to take and press it properly. Okay. See, down part, no, it should be open like this, children. Okay. Like this. And remaining parts we are going to attach this beak. Take some Fevistick over here and keep it like this. See, children, both sides we need to keep like this. Okay, these are triangle shapes. Like this. Yes dear, see both sides you can see same, like wings same, eyes also same, beak also same, like this tail also same, you can see both sides. This one, no children, here you need to fold one this side, one is that side, one is this side. That will look more beautiful. Okay, see like this. And legs also we are going to attach these half circles down part of this bird. See, here we are going to attach this one. See, children, like this, both sides same. We are going to attach these legs also. like this. Here you can see one leg, here also you can see one more leg, red color leg I get here. So if you see down part of this, you need to, it should be open like this. Okay, if you keep on your table, no, okay children, see, if you touch this one, it will move like this. Okay, beautiful bird, no? Yes, hope everyone is enjoyed with this activity. Try to do it home, children. This one is very easy. Try to do it home and send it to Google Classroom. Thank you so much. Bye.